Here's how to create a mirror or reflective watermark effect for your video in CapCut PC. Start by duplicating your main video clip and placing the copy on a track above the original. Add your watermark text over the duplicated clip. Style the text with a bright green color. Go to the shadow settings. Set the shadow opacity to 100% and the blurriness to 12%. Then, select both the duplicated video and the text layer, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. Select this new compound clip. Use the Remove Background tool and enable Chroma key. Use the color picker to select the green text color and adjust the intensity and shadow sliders until the green is completely removed. Finally, select the original video clip on the bottom track. In the preview window, move this video slightly downward. Your mirror watermark effect is now complete.